Thanks for submitting your TED Talk preparation handout. I thought I would create this quick video to help give you some feedback before you present your speech. So first of all, excellent audience analysis. It's very detailed. I'm just wondering if you had a chance to actually ask the audience members about their experience with prescription drug addiction. Do you know how many people in our class have someone in their family or in their life who is suffering from this? I'm trying to think of what other information you might want to learn about your audience before you give your speech that might help you tailor your ideas specifically to them and kind of help you gauge what their previous knowledge is on the topic. But think about sending around a quick survey if you have time. I think that could be helpful. I noticed that for your presentation aids, you're going to use a PowerPoint and also show a short video. That's great. Just double check the length of your video. You do need to talk for 8 to 10 minutes. So if you present for 8 minutes and then your video could be, I guess technically, around 1 or 2 minutes long, and it would be no problem. But I usually recommend sharing video clips that are like 30 to 45 seconds. Your introduction looks very well organized and prepared. Your attention getter, I like that you're starting your speech by just going right into your topic. You're not saying, hi, my name is, and my topic is. You're doing something that's a little bit more polished, and at this point in the semester, that's great. I like that also that you're saying we have all heard, you're working to build common ground with your audience. That's outstanding. The other elements of your introduction have come together nicely too. You have a great thesis statement. For the what is in it for the audience here, you're writing it like it's a conversation between you and me, but you're actually going to want to write the statement how you plan to say it to your audience. So how can you share with the audience what value your speech will add to their life? So see if you can maybe reword this so it's worded in the way that you would say when you're presenting. You have a great credibility statement, and your preview of your main ideas is detailed and specific and will definitely help the audience to focus on your main ideas. And through that repetition of saying them in your intro, your body, and your conclusion, I imagine that'll also help your audience to remember your ideas. Moving on to your body, I think you've picked out a great organizational pattern for your topic, and it's clear that you're including some research right into your main ideas, just like you would if you were writing a research paper, which is outstanding. You probably want to take that use of evidence and research to the next level. You'll want to be sure to include each of the sources that you have in your reference sheet directly within your main ideas, and including them there not only will help you establish your credibility as a speaker and help you avoid plagiarism, but it'll also help you to remember to say them out loud when you're giving your speech. Because since your audience isn't going to see this preparation handout, it's especially important for you to say your sources out loud so that your audience can know your research and maybe even check out your sources on their own if it's something that they want to learn more about. It looks like your second main idea needs a little bit more supporting material, but I'm sure that that's something that you're working on, and you'll just want to, before you give your presentation, be sure to practice. And you can practice with some friends or family members or people in class, or if you need to, you can just practice in your room or in a bathroom or somewhere, or your car, someplace where you have your cell phone. You can make a video of yourself practicing. That way you can see what your delivery is looking like, if you're using gestures, how fast you're talking, your eye contact, or at least you'll have time recording to let you know how fast your speech is going and if you have that minimum amount of material needed to speak for 8 to 10 minutes. And again, you got great sources here, but remember when you're using APA format to list your sources in alphabetical order. All right, so your speech is coming along nicely. I'm really looking forward to hearing your presentation. Thanks for all your hard work. You got this.